Hello, do you know how to count the 5 times table? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So the 5 times table is actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. So 5 times table means you're counting up in 5s. So you go 5 and then 5 plus 5 is 10. And then all you need to know is, here's the little trick, is when you have this number, the tens number, all you do is add a 5 on top. So as you can see, you've got the 1 here and you just add a 5, which makes it 15. And then you round up to the nearest 10, to 20, and then again, add a 5 to that original 10. So it becomes 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and it keeps going on like that. So remember, you're going up in 5s, and all you do is you just say if you've got 10 here, add a 5 to it, so it makes 15, and then you round it to the next 10, and you keep doing that. Just keep adding 5s. And that's all you do. So, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!